precision, reliability, repeatability. In defense and advanced engineering, these three words define every component we make. Just today, you'll see how modern CNC technology turns raw metal into mission-ready parts with unmatched efficiency. CNC turning is the ideal choice for defense manufacturing, delivering consistent quality at scale. Complex geometries and tight tolerances are achieved automatically, reducing errors and ensuring every part meets rigorous specifications. On the shop floor, advanced multi-axis CNC centers handle complex geometries in a single setup. This approach reduces setups, minimizes errors, and ensures dimensional accuracy, exactly what critical defense components demand. Defense applications require high-strength alloys like stainless steel, titanium, and specialty metals. CNC turning provides stable cutting conditions, precise tool paths, and optimized cooling, producing durable, precise, and reliable parts capable of performing under extreme conditions. From sophisticated multi-axis machining centers to rigorous metrology, modern CNC turning delivers the strength and precision demanded by defense and high-tech industries. It's engineering you can count on, every time, on every part. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on CNC and precision machining.